It's 12 o'clock Thursday, what's the date today? 11th of April. Okay, so I have a query from a person by the name of Lorraine. I don't know if you met her, you know of her. Anyone wants to read out Lorraine's query that she has, and you'll be on the video. I'll make you famous. Come on, read it out to me. Read it. Lorraine.
Lorraine inherited her grandmother's old cookbook, but all the oven temperatures are given in Fahrenheit, and her oven is only calibrated in Celsius. Write a program to help her. The formula for converting from Fahrenheit to Celsius is C.
5
Equals to 5
multiplied.
multiplied by Fahrenheit 1.
Right. F, is it F minus or multiply by? Let me just check what it says there. F minus 32. F minus 32, right? So we're going to help Lorraine. Now, yesterday we helped the Egyptians with the pyramid, the volume of the pyramid, correct? Now we're talking strategy. How do you tackle a programming question? Okay? So now if online GDB is working, you can work with me. Code blocks is working, you can work with me. So let's start code blocks. Let's start code blocks. There's a problem with the Wi-Fi, so I'm going to use code blocks. And we're going to give it a nice name. We're going to call it, let's give it a nice name, console application. And the project name is in honor of Lorraine. Lorraine. I hope I spelled her name correctly, because Lorraine came to us with this problem. Right? Great. So there we go. Now I'm going to make life a little bit easier because I want to put the formula up on the top there, right? So I'm putting that as a comment, and comment is convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit, right? And the formula to calculate it is, let me just copy that formula. There's the formula out there. Oh, let's go back there. It's Celsius is equal to, right, where's my glasses? C minus, it's 5 multiplied by F minus 32 my glasses. F minus 32 divided by 9. So it's divided by 9. Divided by 9. Right? F minus 32 is in brackets. So, talk to me. We don't need the C out anymore. I taught you how to do this yesterday with the pyramids. And I hope you watched my video. Anybody, talk to me. What do we start with? Start with? Lucky. What do I start with, Lucky? Start with? Lucky. Nice and loud. I want you to be on the recording. Input. Processing. Lucky. Are you okay with this, Lucky? Right. And output. So we're going to start with the output, the end in mind, as if we know the answer, because we want to get 2 marks. So Lucky, we're going to say C out the converted temperature in Celsius is, out here, Lucky, we're going to put in the variable, right? Which is Celsius. So we don't know that as yet. Do me a favor, charge my laptop for me, please. Just plug it in there. Quickly, it's going to die. Right. And there, Lucky, we're going to put our variable, right? We're not sure what the variable is now. So the variable I'm going to put, and the variable is, yeah, thank you. Right. So, Lucky, we need to put the variable there. Oopsie, wrong one. Now, next step, Lucky. What are you doing in the program with the pyramids? We did the processing. Right, so the processing is a maths formula, right? The maths formula is given to us. Aren't we lucky? Aren't we lucky? Right. So what's the formula, Lucky? Lucky, what's the formula? C equals 5 times F minus 32 divided by 9. Okay, Lucky? That was given to us. Now we ask ourselves the question, do I have a value for Fahrenheit for this formula? Check here, F minus 32. I don't have a value for F. I got to get that from the user. Okay, Lucky? Now I move to my input part. Can you see? I work from the bottom going up. I'm working backwards. Are you with me? With me? Right. So now, Lucky, I'm going to say C in F. Right? And F was standing for Fahrenheit. Okay? So, Lucky, yesterday I said, whenever I have a C in and I'm requesting from the user an input, above that, what must I say? C out. Out. What must I say, Lucky? Please enter in a value for, right, value, right, Fahrenheit temperature. Right? That makes sense, right, Lucky? Oh, enter. Okay, please. Oh, enter as well wrong. ENT. Yeah, right. Please enter in a value, Fahrenheit temperature. Okay, Lucky? So now they're going to enter in the value. Oh, Lucky! I used F and I used C. And I did not declare it. So let's go to the top. So I need my variable declarations, right? Now, Lucky, let's look at it carefully. C and F. Will that be integer, float, double, char, boolean? What you say? Double. Okay, okay, can make it double, or we could have made it float, right? So Lucky says double. I'm okay with the double. Double F, and we're gonna have C. Okay, Lucky? Right, Lucky says F and C. Now I also told you yesterday that we need to initialize our variables, right? From now on, we're gonna say initialize, we're gonna set it to 0. Hi, can I help you? Can I help you? I beg your pardon? Yeah, I'm having a lecture right now. You can't just walk into my classroom and just talk to my student. Thank you, goodbye. Right, okay? So, initialize it to 0. Initialize means set it to 0, right? It's a good idea. F is equal to 0. C is equal to 0, right? So now I'm introducing you to a new concept here, Lucky. I want you to say INITIALIZE, initialized to 0. So in the exam, if you're stuck for marks, I need to give you part marks. I'm going to give you marks for initializing to 0, okay? But I'm not going to give you marks otherwise. If you get the program right, 100%, okay? Now, Lucky, we need to have some test data, Lucky. If the value of f is 32, 5 times 32 minus 32 is 0. 5 times 0 is 0. 0 divided by 9 is 0. So, if we enter in a value of 32 for f, we must get an answer of. Let me see if I am right. Let's compile the program. Click on my little gear out there where it says bold. Uh-oh, I got an error there. What's my error? What my message says? Expected semicolon before C out. In line number 16. What's the mistake, Lucky? Not using a semicolon at the end of line 13. Yes. I did that for you on purpose to show you that, I can make mistakes and, now how to correct the mistake. See, right? Okay. Let's compile the program again. Let's build it. Click on my little gear there on the top. Yay! I'm happy. I'm happy. Let me run the program now. Let's build and run it. So what test data am I going to use, Lucky? 32. Let's use 32. If 32 works and the answer is 0, then I know my program is working. And I have helped Lorraine. Please enter in a value Fahrenheit temperature. So I'm going to say 32. Anyone wants to take a bet with me? I say the answer is going to be 0. Anybody take a bet? Come on, who wants to take a bet with me? Anybody? Somebody? Nobody? All right, let's see. The converted temperature in Celsius is, oh no, Lucky, you didn't give me the answer. You know we had this issue yesterday as well. It's not giving me the answer. Lucky, I didn't take a bet with you. Let's go and see what the story is here. F minus 32 divided by 9. Oh, Lucky. Look at line number 25. Remember I put a comment over there? I said we need to put the Celsius variable there, Lucky. I forgot to put that. So let's go put the Celsius variable there, Lucky. I did that on purpose again, to show you that you gotta put the C as the Celsius variable, right? Okay. I can make mistakes too. I'm human, All right. So, right. So let's run the program. Let's build and run. Click on my little icon there. Yay, no errors. Let's run it. Now I'm going to take a bet with you. Anybody wants to take a bet with me? Yo, if I took a bet before you, I would have won. If I enter in a value, Lucky, of 32, what answer am I going to come out of? 0. Let's see 32. If I put in 32, please, Lord, let it work. Thank you. Did you see and did you learn the strategy? Right? How do I work? I start from the output. What is it that they want? Then I go to the processing. Then I see what variables I need, and then I get it. Right? So I'm very happy with this. Are you happy? Did we help Lorraine? Right. So now let me go make it look a little bit pretty, okay? instead of using F and C, I like you to use full variable names. Okay, Celsius, Fahrenheit. Okay, because that'll make more sense instead of saying C and F. Fahrenheit, F-A-H-R-E-N-H-E-I-T. Fahrenheit. F-A-H-R-E-N-H-E-I-T. Fahrenheit. Celsius, C-E-L-C-I-U-S. F-A-H, there we go. Right, I like meaningful variable names. Right. Don't you like meaningful variables names as well, Lucky? Okay, let's go take that line. Let's not waste too many lines. Just so that we can take a picture. Right, I'll post it to our WhatsApp group. All right, let's take a picture. Snipping tool. New. Right, I got a picture there. Let's just quickly run it again, Lucky, to see that it works, right? Build and run, build and run. Please enter in 32. I should get an answer of 0. Yep, the converted temperature in Celsius is 0. Well done. End of story. Let's have an assignment on the online TDV. Ha! Okay, I'll start the recording. We don't want any more long videos, right? So let's stop. Oh, where's the recording here? All right, thank you. Let's stop the recording. And record, and stop recording. Okay, so class,